Hey guys, I want to share a spinnerbait tip with you real quick. Spinnerbait's been around forever. It's still a fish catching bait, but there's a couple things that you can do to it to just give it a better profile. Right out of the package, that skirt's been kind of bunched up in a package. I like to get it out, straighten out the strands, and make sure you get them where they're flowing really good. Once you do that, I like to turn the spinnerbait upside down, and as you can see, there's a few strands of silicone that are stuck together right there. That's just from, that's a heat process that they go through to cut those and everything. And so sometimes they put them up whenever they're still hot, but I like to take it upside down and take my scissors and cut that straight across, just like that. Cut a little bit I like to make mine kind of nice and compact, and if there's any strands that are still stuck together, cut it straight across. And that way, when you pull it back down, as you can see, it's got a nice taper to it. It's shorter up here and it flows down, just giving it a more of a bait fish profile. And my favorite, I like to always use a trailer. One of my favorite, whenever I want to move a little water and give good action, is the Strike King Swimming Shiner. This color really goes good. This green gizzard goes good with the spot remover color. And just thread it up on there, pull it right over the keeper there. And that profile with that flow and action and that nice little tail, just a really good spinnerbait profile. There's a good little spinnerbait tip for you. Spinnerbait's not dead. It's still alive and well, folks.